So as part of my yoga training, I've been learning this new breath that I've been finding really calming and helpful. So I wanted to share it with you in this video quickly. So when you breathe in through the nostrils and you give a slight constriction in the throat so that you can hear it with your inner ear, but somebody else walking around wouldn't hear it. So it's just a very slow, almost like just a slight constriction in the throat. And when you exhale between very thin lips. So it's just keep doing that very slowly. And what it does is it actually extends the inhale and it extends the exhale, and it also kind of tricks the body into thinking it's asleep. When I first started doing it for a couple of minutes, I thought, this really reminds me actually of the sound my dad would make after work when he would have fallen asleep and I'd be sitting on his knee. It would be, and his lips would do that movement. So they don't have to do that movement, but they can. It's a very slim line. So experiment with that and let me know in the comments how you go.